Okay guys, we got our heads all reassembled on our Rambler 327 and all looks really nice. Okay, here we go. Looks nice. All of our intakes come out really nice. Of course, exhausted. Someone had put hard seats in it before. And got our brand new SBI valves in there. Looks really good. Ready to go. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. You look back and I'll put a link in the video leading back to one of the previous videos right below this video. Thank you.